Hello, chosen one. You've been called for greatness, and today we're looking into a powerful law of attraction hack that will elevate your manifestation abilities. If you're ready to step into your true power, get ready, because this is exactly what you need to attract everything you've been dreaming of. The first thing to understand is that as a chosen one, you're not like everyone else. You have unique gifts and a special purpose. The law of attraction is your tool to unlock that power. To truly manifest your desires, you must align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your divine purpose. Now let's talk about the first step you need to take to activate this incredible energy. As a chosen one, your energy is magnetic. You have the ability to draw things to you that others can only dream of. But to harness this, you need to first believe in your own divine power. Start by affirming to yourself every day, I am worthy of all the abundance the universe has to offer. This simple but profound affirmation will rewire your mindset, replacing any limiting beliefs with a sense of self-worth and empowerment. The key is to not only say these words, but feel them. You must believe that you are deserving of success and abundance in every form. And every time you tell yourself this affirmation, visualize your desires already coming to you. Imagine the emotions you'll feel when your dreams become reality. The more you focus on this positive energy, the faster your manifestations will start to show up. You're not just attracting things, you are attracting experiences, opportunities, and people who align with your higher purpose. Recognizing your own worthiness is the first step in this process. When you do this, you raise your vibration to match that of abundance, making it easier for you to manifest effortlessly. The next step is to speak your desires into existence. There is immense power in spoken words, especially when it comes to manifestation. When you say something out loud, you give it life. And when you speak your desires with belief, the universe is compelled to respond. Stand tall, close your eyes, and speak with confidence. Say things like, I am attracting everything I need for my success, health, and happiness. All of my desires are coming to me with ease. Make sure to feel the emotion behind the words. Let the universe know you're serious, and trust that your intentions will be heard. Speaking your desires aloud creates a vibrational match between your words and the universe. The more you repeat these affirmations and speak them with conviction, the more the universe will begin to align with your desires, paving the way for your dreams to manifest. As a chosen one, it's essential to be mindful of the energy around you. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, support your goals, and share your vision. Negative or low vibrational people can drain your energy and block your manifestations. Start by distancing yourself from people who discourage your dreams or who don't believe in your abilities. Instead, seek out individuals who inspire and motivate you. These high vibrational people will not only support your growth, but will also serve as a mirror for your own positive energy. When you align yourself with people who encourage abundance and success, you strengthen your connection to the energy of the universe. Their positive influence will amplify your own ability to manifest, making your desires come to life more quickly and effortlessly. One of the most powerful manifestation techniques is to act as though your desires have already come true. This doesn't mean pretending or faking it. It means aligning your actions, energy, and mindset with the feeling of already having what you want. If you're manifesting financial abundance, for example, start making decisions as if money is already flowing into your life. Invest in yourself, treat yourself to small luxuries, or take steps toward your goals that reflect your confidence in your success.
The energy you put out into the world will be reflected back to you.
By acting as if your desires are already yours, you send a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. It creates an energetic match that draws your manifestations closer. When you trust that what you desire is already on its way, you align with the flow of abundance, allowing your manifestations to come to fruition. Patience is key in the manifestation process. While it's important to put in the work and take inspired action, it's equally important to trust that the universe has a perfect plan for you. Sometimes your desires may take longer than expected to manifest, and that's okay. The universe operates on its own timing, which is always aligned with your highest good. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and know that your manifestations are on their way, even if you don't see immediate results. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and simply trust in the process. The universe will deliver what you need at the right time and in the best way possible. The more you trust the process, the more effortless and joyful your manifestation experience will be. In order to fully accept the law of attraction, it's essential to identify and release any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. As a chosen one, you must understand that the only thing that can block your manifestations is your own mindset. Beliefs such as, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve success, or money is hard to come by are negative patterns that keep you from attracting what you desire. Start by becoming aware of these thoughts when they arise. The moment you recognize them, challenge them with positive affirmations that align with your new reality. For instance, instead of thinking, I can't afford this, replace it with, I am worthy of abundance and money flows easily into my life. By continuously doing this, you will rewire your subconscious mind to support your manifestations rather than limiting them. It's also helpful to remind yourself that limiting beliefs are just stories you've been telling yourself.
They're not facts, and they don't define who you are.
As you release these old stories and replace them with empowering ones, you'll see how the universe starts to respond by bringing in the people, resources, and opportunities that align with your new beliefs. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in the law of attraction. As a chosen one, or the more grateful you are, the more the universe will bring into your life. When you focus on what you already have, you raise your vibrational frequency and align yourself with even more abundance. Make it a habit to list at least 3 things you're grateful for every day. These can be big or small. It could be something as significant as a career breakthrough or as simple as enjoying a cup of coffee in peace. The key is to feel the emotion of gratitude in your heart as you acknowledge what you have. This vibration of gratitude sends out a powerful message to the universe that you are open and ready to receive even more. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance. When you practice it consistently, you not only attract more of what you want, but also begin to appreciate the magic already in your life. You begin to trust the process more deeply, knowing that the universe is working for your highest good. Visualization is one of the most powerful manifestation techniques available. As a chosen one, you can use your ability to vividly imagine your desires coming to fruition to send out clear signals to the universe. The more detail you add to your visualizations, the stronger the energy you'll generate to manifest your desires. Take a few minutes every day to close your eyes and visualize yourself living the life you want. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your goals already being achieved. Feel the emotions of success, joy, and gratitude as if it's happening right now. The clearer and more real you make the experience in your mind, the quicker the universe will bring it into your physical reality. When you visualize, you align your mind with the frequency of what you desire. This act not only helps to create clarity on your goals, but also opens up pathways for opportunities and resources to show up in your life. The universe is always listening to your energy, and through visualization, you send out a strong, consistent message that your desires are already yours. Manifestation isn't about just wishing for things to happen, it's about taking inspired action toward your dreams. As a chosen one, your actions must align with your intentions. This means you need to actively pursue what you desire, even if it's in small steps. Inspired action comes from your intuition, your inner guidance system that speaks to you through your emotions, thoughts, and feelings. When you feel a pull toward something, whether a new idea, a person to connect with, or a project to start, trust that it's the universe guiding you toward your manifestation. The key is to stay open and responsive to the signs and synchronicities that arise as you take action. You don't have to know every step of the way, but you must take the first step with confidence. By doing so, you build momentum, and the universe will open up more opportunities and resources to help you move closer to your goals. The final step in your manifestation process as a chosen one is surrender. After putting in the work, believing in your power, and taking action, the last piece of the puzzle is to let go. Surrendering means releasing the need for control and trusting that the universe will bring you exactly what you need at the right time. When you hold on too tightly to the outcome, you're sending out an energy of doubt and resistance. Instead, focus on enjoying the present moment and allow yourself to feel gratitude for the journey. Trust that what's meant for you will come to you, and there's no need to rush or force things to happen. As you surrender, you create space for miracles to occur. The universe has a plan for you, and by letting go of control, you allow it to work in your favor. Your role is to align with your desires and take inspired action, but the universe will take care of the timing and details. As a chosen one, you have a unique connection to the universe's abundance. By believing in your power, speaking your desires into existence, surrounding yourself with positive influences, acting as if your desires are already yours, and trusting the timing of the universe, you align yourself with the law of attraction to manifest your dreams with ease. Keep these practices in mind, and don't forget that the universe is always working in your favor. If this video resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to explore more profound ways to unlock your full potential. Stay open, stay patient, and watch as your desires come to life.